Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is 4:50 a.m. on November 22nd and I'm awake. So I thought why not get this quick little video ready to upload for you guys. So this is a glitter potting video. This is part one of a little series I'm doing. I've been organizing my glitters, potting them in these 10-gram jars that I'm showing you right now. So I thought I'd record some of it, not all of it because that would be a long series, but I thought I'd record some of it and upload as an organized me. I know I love that type of video. It's very relaxing for me, and since today is a Monday, I thought this would be a nice video for you guys on today, since most of us detest Mondays. I know I do, so I thought this would be a good video for today. I'm not going to be chattering through the whole video, so go ahead and relax, get yourself something to sip on, and enjoy this little glitter potting session of mine. Now I'm starting off with some glitters that I hauled from my Etsy sample pack haul. So those are gonna be first, and then we're gonna move into some other glitters that I got from Craft Co Supplies. Of course, they're linked in the description box, along with my code for 15% off your entire order. So you can go ahead and use that link, check them out. And guys, they are coming with some new awesome glitters very soon. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, yeah, just relax and enjoy this glitter potting video. And this is the last glitter that I'm going to be potting in this session. And as usual for me, when I'm potting glitters, putting them away, whatever it is, I always have my little bowl there ready to catch any spillover. And also I usually add a little tidbit out of each glitter to the bowl to do a little quick mixy mix. So let's mix this up and see what we get. Of course, this is my favorite part of all. This is my favorite part of playing with glitters, popping glitters, mixing, and seeing what I come up with. And of course, once we have this completely mixed, I'm going to be adding it to some acrylic. And then we're going to swatch and see what we have. So this is what this little mixy mix looks like. Okay, there we have it. I've added the glitter to a jar, and I'm just going to be adding some clear acrylic. I'm using this half tablespoon scoop to scoop my acrylic. Okay, now let's mix this baby up and see what we've got. Ignore that crappy looking brush, you guys. I just reached for something to do some mixing, and that's the first thing I grabbed. Now, because this is in one of my, I wouldn't say completely spill proof, but I don't get spillage with these jars, so I'm just gonna close it up and shake to make sure it's mixed in properly. And there you see, no spillage. So let's get to swatching this, and we're gonna see what we have. I was doing this at my office desk, and I wasn't fully prepared to make an acrylic mix or anything. I was just in the process of popping, and I thought, let me just record this. So I slid that plastic thing beneath the paper towel so it doesn't mess my desk up. There we have it, and I am definitely not disappointed with this mix. The only thing I would have changed is I would not have added added the little bit of flakes that are in there. I think just the fine glitter alone would have been perfect, but they're not that big of a deal. Still very pretty. Definitely not disappointed at all with this glitter mix. Well, let me know what you guys think. And as usual, I do want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come join us. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And just come hang with us. We have fun over here. And as usual, to my new subscribers, welcome to the family, you guys. I appreciate you subscribing. I appreciate your support. And don't forget to like the video once you're through watching if this is something you enjoyed. And just, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing, and I really appreciate you guys. As I've said in my earlier videos, I never expected to this to become anything. I never expected to enjoy nails so much. I never expected to enjoy being a part of the nail family so much. The nail community, you guys are amazing, and I really appreciate all of you. So thanks again for watching, you guys, and have yourselves a wonderful rest of your day. Before we go, I'm just going to show you the swatch we did once more. Just putting it in my monomer. So this is once again our glitter acrylic mix from this glitter potting session. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.